another day trip, but the mode of transportation this time we're gonna take a bus. We're not driving, we are taking a bus tour. I'm just the person to shoot the video. Well, whatever she tells me and what I do. All right, hopefully this thing gonna turn out good. Let's go. We are so lucky. Well, a lot of people here are actually real tourists, but we are pretending to be tourists. So that's the line for the tourists going to the island of Venice. There's their boat. Oh, we go under. Oh, I get to come in when it's still empty. Yeah. So I don't know if you're gonna feel it, but this is the first time I actually get to see the island of Venice from a different perspective. So let's go enjoy. Well, we made it here in the island of Murano. I'm not sure if I've been here before, but either way, we're here. I will be telling you the history of this island. What I'm going to do is I'm going to have a quick history on description, but what I'm going to do though is I'm going to try to highlight as far as showing you what the island is all about. So let's go. That's the next island, remember? So looking at getting your meal in around 2 o'clock. Knock on the wood, as long as our files don't get corrupted. I think I just have a good aerial footage. So first time I've done that is all the time that we've been coming back and forth here in Venice. Thing that this island is famous for is glass making, as you're gonna see on this video, on this demonstration. Let's go check that out.
We just made demonstrations. Massimiliano has over 35 years of experience in glass working, all right? And he starts it, but it's a continuous in and out from the oven because the glass, of course, gets solid very, very quickly. material on top. And we make first the upper part wider, and then with a smaller piece you will turn. This piece will be remelted in the same oven, but normally when a piece is produced, it must be placed when it's finished. Okay, isn't that beautiful? Thank you, grazie, thank you very much. William, not too bad? Yes, thank you very much.
So the next island is Murano. Here, the small island of Burano. The actual detail of this island is going to be on my description because attempt to take a video of the leaning tower over there, or whatever you want to call that. I don't know if I have enough video from the ground, but I'm gonna see if I can take a good video from the top.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
We have to go down.
Stop on this small island before heading home. Once again, don't know the history.
Thank you.